Looking for the best synthetic motor oil to keep your engine running smoother, longer, and cleaner? In this video, we've picked 5 of the top performing options trusted by drivers across the country. Whether you're maintaining a high-mileage vehicle or enhancing performance, you'll find the right oil here. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Mobil 1 Truck and SUV Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30, 5 quart. Mobil 1 Truck and SUV Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30 is engineered for hard-working engines, especially in larger vehicles like pickups, SUVs, and vans. It provides advanced full synthetic protection designed to outperform conventional oils. The 5W30 viscosity rating makes it highly effective in both cold starts and high-temperature conditions, ensuring reliable lubrication year-round. This oil meets or exceeds the API-SN Plus and ILSAC GF6 standards, which means it's designed to reduce low-speed pre-ignition and deliver excellent wear protection. For high-mileage trucks or those towing heavy loads, Mobil 1 helps maintain performance under stress. Its advanced formulation resists thermal breakdown better than many synthetic blends, which helps extend engine life. Mobil 1's full synthetic formula also keeps your engine cleaner by minimizing deposits and sludge. It features a uniform molecular structure that helps reduce friction and improve fuel economy. The oil flows quickly in cold weather, reducing engine wear at startup, while also maintaining stability under high operating temperatures. This 5-quart container is ideal for a full oil change in most light-duty trucks and SUVs. It's compatible with vehicles requiring 5W30 viscosity and approved by many major OEMs, including GM Dexos 1 Gen 2. Its high oxidation stability makes it suitable for longer oil change intervals when recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. Mobil 1 is known for its exceptional film strength and high temperature resistance, especially important for engines under heavy load. For trucks used for towing, hauling, or off-roading, this oil maintains performance in demanding environments. It also contributes to smoother operation and reduced engine noise over time. Number 2. Velvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 0W20 Motor Oil 5 Cutie. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 0W20 Motor Oil is formulated to deliver superior engine protection under all driving conditions. Its low viscosity grade of 0W20 ensures excellent cold start performance, allowing oil to flow quickly to critical engine parts even in freezing temperatures. This quick lubrication helps minimize wear during the most vulnerable time engine startup. This motor oil features enhanced thermal stability and oxidation resistance, making it ideal for high-performance engines and extended drain intervals. It meets or exceeds industry standards like API-SP, ILSAC GF6A, and GM Dexos 1 Gen 3, which means it's approved for use in many modern vehicles requiring 0W20 synthetic oil. It's especially beneficial for cars with turbocharged engines and direct injection systems, helping to prevent low-speed pre-ignition and timing chain wear. Valvoline includes advanced anti-wear additives that form a protective layer on engine parts to reduce metal-to-metal contact. This results in longer engine life, especially in severe driving conditions like stop-and-go traffic, highway speeds, and towing. Its synthetic base oil resists breakdown under pressure and extreme heat, maintaining consistent viscosity throughout the oil's lifespan. The 5-quart container is ideal for most standard oil changes and features an ergonomic design with an easy pour spout. It's clearly labeled and marked with specifications, making it simple to match with your vehicle's requirements. The oil's detergent system helps keep internal engine parts cleaner by minimizing sludge and deposit formation. This formula is designed to maximize fuel efficiency by reducing internal engine friction. That means more miles per gallon and smoother acceleration. It also reduces engine noise and vibration over time, giving you a quieter ride with prolonged performance. Whether you're using it in a newer car or a high-mileage vehicle that requires 0W20, this oil adapts to your engine's needs. Number 3. Velvoline High Mileage with MaxLife Technology SAE 5W20 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil 5 Cutie. Velvoline High Mileage with MaxLife Technology SAE 5W20 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil is engineered specifically for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. This oil uses a synthetic blend formula designed to extend engine life in older vehicles, combining premium base oils with proprietary additives for superior performance. MaxLife technology includes conditioners that help rejuvenate aging engine seals, reducing oil leaks and consumption. This is particularly helpful for older engines prone to minor seepage or excessive oil burn. It also contains extra wear protection additives to safeguard worn engine parts from further damage. With a viscosity of 5W20, this oil provides reliable cold start performance while maintaining stability in high temperature conditions. It's suitable for use in gasoline engines that require this grade and meets standards such as API-SP and ILSAC GF6A, ensuring it works well with newer emissions systems and protects against low-speed pre-ignition. One of its key advantages is the inclusion of advanced detergents that help clean out sludge and deposits left behind by previous oils. That means better fuel efficiency, cleaner internal engine components, and more consistent engine performance over time. The 5-quart container is a convenient size for most oil changes and features an easy-pour design that reduces mess. Its clear labeling makes it simple to check compatibility with your vehicle's engine. Many users report noticeable improvements in engine smoothness and oil retention after switching to this high-mileage formula. Number 4. Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil, 5 quarts. Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil is formulated with fluid titanium technology to provide maximum strength under pressure. This oil transforms its structure under high load to prevent breakdown and reduce friction, offering superior performance for modern engines. The 5W30 viscosity rating ensures excellent flow at cold temperatures and stable performance at high heat, making it suitable for a wide range of driving environments. It meets or exceeds industry standards including API-SP, ILSAC GF6A, and is certified under GM Dexos 1 Gen 3 for compatibility with many new vehicles. One of the key features of Castrol Edge is its proven ability to reduce metal-to-metal contact across various speeds and conditions. This helps to extend engine life while improving performance. The fluid titanium molecules strengthen the oil film, which keeps components protected even under intense pressure. This synthetic oil helps reduce deposits and sludge buildup thanks to its advanced detergent system. It supports improved fuel efficiency by reducing internal friction, and its excellent oxidation stability helps maintain engine cleanliness over extended oil change intervals. The 5-quart jug is practical for most DIY oil changes and comes with a no-spill design. The labeling clearly states all compatibility certifications, making it easy to confirm suitability with your engine. Castrol Edge is often recommended for high-performance engines and luxury vehicles due to its premium formulation. Number 5. STP Premium Small Engine 4-Cycle Oil Formula, SA10W30 Small Engine Oil Engine Care Formula reduces wear for lawnmower, push mower, tractor, 32 ounces, STP. STP Premium Small Engine 4-Cycle Oil Formula SA10W30 is specially developed to protect and extend the life of small engines, including lawnmowers, push mowers, pressure washers, and garden tractors. This oil meets or exceeds small engine manufacturer requirements for 4-cycle gasoline engines and is designed to handle demanding outdoor conditions. With a viscosity grade of SA10W30, this oil delivers a strong balance between cold start protection and high temperature stability. It's ideal for use in environments with variable weather conditions and can handle heat buildup during extended operation of small engines. The formulation includes anti-wear agents that minimize engine wear and help reduce internal friction. This allows your equipment to run smoothly for longer periods without overheating. It also helps prevent the buildup of carbon and varnish, which can cause poor performance or engine stalling over time. This 32-ounce container is sized for most small engine oil changes and features a tight seal cap for easy storage. The pour spout is designed to minimize spills, and the label provides clear instructions and compatibility notes for different types of small engines. All 5 of these synthetic motor oils deliver quality and protection that make them stand out. If you found this helpful, check out the product links in the description to learn more or grab one for your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.